Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my first lesson of D2 chapter number 16, exercise 16a, that is about the scatter diagram and correlation and line of best fit. Before going to the lesson, there are some important terms and points that we need to understand. As every region has its own language, every topic of mathematics has its own language and terms and meanings that we need to understand for the better understanding of the topic. So before going to the lesson, first of all, it's really important to understand that what is scatter plot or scatter graph. Scatter graph, sometimes it is important to discover if there is the connection or relationship between two sets of data. Scatter graph are the tool that we use to display the data with two variables. Okay, then if we look at this diagram, we can see that we are given with scatter graph in which the prices of peers are given and the quantity sold is given. Okay, as we can see that the prices are high, the sale is low, and when the prices are coming down, so sale is increasing. So we can see that there is the connection between the prices and the quantities sold. Okay, then this type of connection has a special name which is called the correlation. So correlation is the mutual relationship or connection between two or more things, and in statistics it's interdependence of variable quantities. Coming to types of correlation, we can have positive correlation, negative correlation, weak or no correlation. Okay, when do we observe the positive correlation? As one variable increases, other also increases. Then if we look at this first graph, we can see the points are having the rising trend. One point is increasing, one quantity is increasing, other is also increasing. So this type of correlation is called strong positive correlation because the points have the rising trend and they are compact as well. And coming to the negative correlation, when one increases, other quantity decreases. If we can see the diagram 2, we can see that points have the falling trend, and in this case we will have the strong negative correlation. And then when we plot the data points and we are finding the diagram in such a way that they are the molecules of gases, they are scattered apart, they're not showing any connection, so in this case no correlation is observed. And then there are two more terms which are really important for this topic, which are interpolation and extrapolation. Interpolation is to find the value within the data set, and extrapolation is to find the value outside the data set. Interpolation gives you more reliable results and extrapolation is not reliable. Okay, I hope you are clear through this discussion that what is scatter graph, what is correlation and type of correlation. In your O-level examination, sometime the question can come that the graph is drawn and you have to observe that graph and you have to predict the type of correlation. So you have to keep these three diagrams in your mind and then you can easily decide the type of correlation. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.